Hello everyone, my name is Josh Walker. I'm with Safety Plus Steering Control. We are here today showing you guys how to install our yellow 42-270 steering stabilizer. This unit's going to go on a ZF IFS independent front suspension. It also will go on your Freightliner IFS independent front suspension. Now before you get started, you always want to make sure you read your instructions carefully. Make sure you have all the tools, the safety equipment, all the hardware, everything needed to get the job done safely. Let's get started. Step 1, you're going to want to pull the vehicle in a straight position so you can gain access under the vehicle. Step 2, you're going to want to place anchor bracket A on the top side of the pitman arm with the flat side facing downwards. Step 3, place anchor bracket B on the bottom side of the pitman arm. Then you're going to want to install the longer bolts on the outmost holes of the bracket to make holding the bracket easier. Then drop in your remaining shorter bolts in the back 3 holes. Step 4. Tighten and torque each nut in a star pattern to 60 foot-pounds of torque. Step 5. Loosely install the tie rod bracket on the passenger side of the tie rod. You're going to want to clean the area with a Scotch-Brite pad if there is any extra debris. The clamp on the end of the tie rod may need to be loosened and rotated to get out of the way of the tie rod bracket. Be sure to tighten the clamp down when finished. Step 6. Now we're going to want to hang the small end of the Safety Plus to the anchor bracket using the 9/16 bolt provided, the 3 1/4-inch spacers, and the 9/16 lock nut. Tighten and torque Safety Plus to the anchor bracket at 110 foot-pounds of torque. Step 7. Hang the large end of the Safety Plus to the tie rod bracket using the 3.5-inch bolt, the 1/2-inch spacer, and the lock nut provided. Step 8. Tighten and torque Safety Plus unit to 150 foot-pounds. Tighten and torque U-bolts to 20 foot-pounds. Step 9. Lastly, you're going to want to lower the air system to ensure no contact is made and do a full left and right hand turn test. Alright, that concludes today's installs. We hope that you found this video very helpful. Please don't hesitate to give us a call with any questions or visit our website. We are here to help. We wish you all the best and safe travels.